Zoom a bit.
Oh, sorry.
Zoom a little bit.
Sure. But you have the handout as well, so yeah. So just in case you cannot see, this one, yes, occasionally we do use NumPy, but for later part of today's class, we mostly will be using the first one, Matplotlib, and also the Pandas. It's a funny name, Pandas, but it's kind of cute, but anyway, the Pandas allows you to basically do all kinds of analysis, especially to read your data sets into Python as a data frame. We talk about data frame when we are, learning R. So same thing for Python. So-called data frame, essentially just the tables you saw in Excel. When we import into Python, then we basically call those tables data frame. And Pandas is a package that allows us to manipulate data frame. The last one is called scikit-learn. This one is basically for machine learning. But for this class, we won't be able to learn that. But in the future, if you want to learn more about machine learning, then if you are using Python, you can definitely use this package. In R, there are also other packages for you to do machine learning, but that beyond the scope of today's camp. So, but I just want to let you know that these are some commonly used packages, and today we are going to be focusing on the very first one, the Matplotlib, and also Pandas. Okay, so this is a quick introduction for packages, and then now let's see how we can actually use Python to import some of these packages. Okay, so you've learned how to start Jupyter Notebook. So basically, the first step is to open, not to open this one. Open this one. So everybody have this open, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, who said no? Okay. So just click launch. Yeah. You are actually there.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next step to install a Python package, especially the very first time, you have to go through the next step. So on step 2, you see you should find an anaconda prompt. So if you are using Windows, you should see something like this. You find anaconda folder, and then there's a anaconda prompt. Can everybody find that?
Yes.
Yeah. I think on Apple, on Mac, it's terminal or something.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so-called prompt. In computer science, some people call it terminal. That's where you can change basically, change the your system settings. But we don't need to worry too much about that, because the only thing we want is to be able to install those packages. Okay, now the next step. So can everybody with me so far?
Yes.
No, okay. So what? Yeah, handout. Are you using that?
Đọc nào?
So where did you find the terminal?
In Apple is automatic showed up.
So what?
Launch.
Oh, you click launch and then you should see.
Yeah, it's automatic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you click launch?
Prompt.
I think it's that one.
Anaconda prompt. But you should open that.
The something first.
You should install and launch it. Yeah, I think Phoebe, I think that's the one. You know, what's the title for that one?
Terminal.
Yeah, it's
Terminal.
called terminal. Yes.
Ali, well, how do you do it in Mac?
Yeah. So for Mac, you know, it's, I think the term is different, but for Windows, it's, you know, it looks like this. It's called prompt.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's type the following. Let's type conda install numpy. Numpy, you know, is one of the packages I just introduced to you, right? So let's type that. So conda, add a conda, you know, but you know you don't want ada, so you just want conda, C-O-N-D-A, and then space install, and then numpy, N-U-M-P-Y. So the last one, basically you are saying, okay, Anaconda, I want to install NumPy package, right? But of course, again, you know, you just need to type Conda instead of Anaconda. So you type this, Conda install NumPy.
But nothing happened.
And once you type that and then you hit enter, and then you should eventually see like something like this. Basically, you know, it says, "Oh, request the package is already installed."
No installing environment.
Nothing happened.
I think you know, it takes some time to finish the installing.
Oh, yeah, it's done.
Yeah, so like, you know, you type this and then you hit an enter key. Like it says, you know, solving environment. Solving environment means it's still loading.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think we can do.
Everybody with me so far?
Oh,
You are open before.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't prefer. I didn't prefer.
I think in Mac is that
With the backseat.
pip3 installed now.
You have.
So for Mac users, any of you can install that?
No,
When I entered the.
Nothing happens.
nothing happened.
Oh, wrong. Not.
AMC. You want
Yeah, not MC.
movie. You want to see movie.
Yeah, I think I have to Google it and find out how to.
And then you can see your name. That's the one.
What?
It's related to this stuff.
Well, this article doesn't.
Mine because it shows the user is mine. The user is you. Yeah, it shows your name.
I'm not so sure. Did anybody find out how to install? I mean the.
NumPy
For Mac. Yeah, for Mac.
in Mac. I can't
Your
remember this
yours is
number.
Windows.
Windows, yeah.
So Mac users. What?
Let's try it.
Yeah, that's true, but
but
well, we have to find solutions.
Is that
Huh?
the one? But I don't think that is work doesn't happen.
Okay, for Mac users, let's try the next step to see what happens. Okay, so let's try to move on to see, for Mac users, we'll see what happens. So you are here, right? And then the next step, go back to, this page and then that's type.
Input number to where?
To here.
Oh.
So you type import NumPy in that field. Oh, the next step, go to this page and then type import NumPy. Yeah, so you should look at your handout. So basically, in the field 1, you put a import NumPy. Yeah. Choose desktop. And then you type, yeah. Okay, so once you have import NumPy, for Mac user as well, I want to see what happens, next for you. NumPy. And then, yeah, if you cannot see, look at your handout. No, of course, just type. And then, okay, so what you'll need to do now, with the cursor at the end, right? You hit, for Windows users, you hit Control and hit Enter. Control Enter. Yeah, Control Enter. And you'll see it became from green to blue. Yeah, that means you have already executed that code. For Mac user, I think you should find something like Control Enter.
Oh, also Control Enter.
Also same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so hit Control Enter. So I think until now should be good, but what's...
But mine is
Michael,
error.
Yes.
I think I did it, so do you want me to introduce it to you?
Yeah.
How to do my...
Oh, you mean install... Okay, sure, yeah. Yeah, please go ahead.
So
Yeah,
go
yeah,
to your
sorry.
dashboard.
Yeah.
Go to your dashboard. There is a black little software called Terminal. It should be in something like others.
No,
or
no.
something. Yeah,
Windows.
that one. Go to the terminal. Did you get it? And then you just type whatever written on the
Here.
here on the paper. Just type conda install
You want to
NumPy.
check?
I just
No, I'm good.
click enter.
Oh, you know why?
One.
And it will show you that it's processing, and you just need to wait for a little bit.
You did not enter those consoles.
Where? This one?
Is it working?
Oh, this one.
You see, you because you didn't define it, so that's
Oh.
why. Yeah.
Anybody get it?
I think it should wait for a little bit.
Yeah, that's wait until everybody.
Yeah.
哎呀，这个忘了扔了，哎，送这个。
We need to